Say hello.
Chicago. Today is the day. We are traveling to Chicago. Did I tell you it's only 13 degrees outside today? It's freezing. Chicago, baby. We have some work lined up, and we are going to be just making a nice 5.5-hour trip out there.
You better buckle up.
We are still driving. It feels like it's been 4 hours, but it's only been like 20 minutes. That's good. We're almost there. Navigation is telling me where to go, which is making it super easy. Technology today. What did we do back then? What was it? It was like you whipped out a map and you try to like figure out where you're going. How do you do that when you drive, especially solo? Man, I give you guys credit back in the day. Okay, so visibility is at 0 right now, and it's going crazy. You can hardly see. It just cleared up. Woo! We made it safe, baby. Let's go. We're locked into this house. All right, so we just made it here in Chicago, and we're here at the Airbnb. I'm gonna show you around. All right, so you see the back end. We have the couch, nice and brown. I like this rug. Table's nice. I like the green plant. Just the person that renders it out. I'm gonna do my hard work right here. Kitchen area, stainless steel, green plant, coffee. Relax. Water. Already came here. You know this is gonna be gone. Bedroom, bed, TV in the bed. Floors look cool. Bathroom, green plant. Got my girl in the background.
That's so cute.
So that's the place. So what we're gonna do now is kind of chill, unpack, and get ready for the shoot we have this weekend. And let's just spend the weekend here in Chicago. What's up, guys? Okay, day 2. Haven't had my coffee yet, so this is all over the place. We're gonna go out and do some testimonials, and then head back here, chill out, and then head back to Michigan. So let's get day 2 started. Ooh, it is cold out there. Chicago, no different from Michigan. So if you're looking at vacation somewhere, this is not the place in the wintertime. So we're packed up, ready to go, and to get some coffee into the system so that way I can start, moving, thinking, of course, and let's go.
Good morning. What can I get first today?
Yes, can I have a venti-sized iced chai latte with non-fat milk, grande-sized chestnut praline, and do you have any gum? I'll have a pack of that.
Anything else?
And that'll be it. Is it
Alright, here's what
ordering gum? One thing about doing shoots, especially when you travel, is you need to have coffee, the right coffee. I'm a big Starbucks fan. I love my Starbucks, but I'm not just prone just on Starbucks. I'm not with this particular brand. I just love it. I just love the taste. I love the espressos that they have. Good environment. They always seem happy when they give you your coffee. Thank you. See, you can see some. Good morning. That's some good coffee. Woo, waking up now. All right, now I'm focused, now I'm ready. Let's go. We are here for the shoot, my friend. So let's unpack. Now that we're all packed up, let's go. All Alright guys, so I'm back in Michigan. It's been a couple days since I went to Chicago. I just want to wrap this video up, just to let you guys know that I will be traveling a lot this year. So you'll be seeing more of these type of vlogs because someone will be home doing tech reviews and stuff like that, so I'll be on the road. So I might as well give you some content to look at. And so if you're interested in watching these vlogs, be sure to subscribe so you can see more of these on this channel as well. I will still, of course, be doing my tech reviews and my camera gears and whatnot in gaming, but just something to add into the 2018 fuel videos is my vlogs. So I'm having a great time traveling and working on the road as a videographer, cinematographer, and just editing on the go. Freaking love it. It's going to be a great year. So anyways, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.